Hey y'all! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's close to my heart, red wine and chocolate cupcakes. These cupcakes are not just a treat, they are a celebration in every bite. These elegant treats are a hit at every gathering, and my mom loves them for her birthday every year. They are perfect for any special occasion or just when you want to indulge in something truly decadent. Let's dive in. First, we need to gather all our ingredients. Make sure you have everything ready before you start baking. First, grab a small bowl and whisk together half a cup of baking cocoa and 4 ounces of chopped bittersweet chocolate. This combination will give our cupcakes a rich, deep chocolate flavor. Pour in half a cup of boiling water and mix until the chocolate melts and everything's nicely blended. The hot water helps to dissolve the cocoa and chocolate, creating a smooth mixture. Now, in a large bowl, cream a cup of softened butter with 1.5 cups of sugar. This step is crucial for creating a light and fluffy texture in our cupcakes. Beat it until it's light and fluffy, about 5 to 7 minutes. This might seem like a long time, but trust me, it's worth it for that perfect cupcake texture. Add in 4 large eggs, one at a time, making sure you beat well after each addition. This ensures that the eggs are fully incorporated and the batter remains smooth. Next, combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. These dry ingredients will help our cupcakes rise and give them structure. Add this to the creamed mixture, alternating with half a cup of dry red wine and the chocolate mixture you made earlier. The red wine adds a unique depth of flavor that pairs beautifully with the chocolate. Beat well after each addition. This step ensures that all the ingredients are well combined and the batter is smooth and velvety. Line your muffin tin with 24 paper liners and fill them 3/4 full with the batter. This will give your cupcakes room to rise without overflowing. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. Keep an eye on them as they bake to ensure they don't overcook. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This is a simple but effective way to check for doneness. Let them cool for about 10 minutes before moving them to wire racks to cool completely. This helps them set and makes them easier to frost. While those are baking, let's talk frosting. A good frosting can take your cupcakes to the next level. In a small bowl, beat together 2 cartons of mascarpone cheese, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract until creamy. This frosting is rich and creamy, with just the right amount of sweetness. Once your cupcakes are cool, frost them generously. Don't be shy with the frosting. It's what makes these cupcakes extra special. Store these beauties in the fridge until you're ready to serve. They're sure to impress. The cool temperature helps the frosting set and keeps the cupcakes fresh. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more delicious recipes for you. And check out the description for the full recipe and backstory from Candace Cheney in Fort McMurray, Alberta. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoy making and eating these cupcakes as much as I do. Enjoy your delicious and elegant red wine chocolate cupcakes. Bye. Remember, baking is all about having fun and sharing love through food.